Corinda Station. This is a Yeerongpilly train, stopping all stations. This is a Yeerongpilly train, stopping all stations. The next station is Tennyson.
Now arriving at
Tennyson Station.
If this is your station, prepare to disembark.
Tennyson Station.
Mind the gap.
The next station is Visualiser.
The next station is Yeerongpilly. This train terminates at Yeerongpilly. All customers, please exit the train on arrival at Yeerongpilly. Please remember to take all personal belongings when you leave the train.
Now arriving at
Yeerongpilly Station. This train terminates here. All customers, please exit the train. Yeerongpilly Station.
Mind the gap.
This train terminates here. All customers, please exit the train.